Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can use your Airalo eSIM on your iOS device. So on your Airalo, there's a couple methods you can use. The first one is the direct method, the second one the QR code method, and then the manual method. I'm going to guide you through the QR code method and the manual method. So there's a couple of preparation you'll need to start to do first. First off, you'll need to log into your Airalo account and go to My eSIMs. And then look for the eSIM you want to install and then tap the details button. Tap install eSIM/access data. Tap the manual tab at the top. You should be able to see SM-TP plus address and activation code. Take note of this or keep this page open so you can copy the details later. So take note, you can just write it somewhere on like a paper. And then let's start off from the manual method. First off, you'll have to go to your device, go to settings, tap cellular or mobile, depending on if you use iOS or Android. But tap add cellular plan or add mobile data plan. So cellular, and then click on this add cellular plan. And then select enter details manually. You will be asked to enter SM-TP plus address, the activation code, and the confirmation code. So this is where the note you write down earlier will come in handy. So just enter in the details here. Click on this, enter the details manually, and then fill in the field here. After that, choose a label or a customized label for your eSIM. Under the default plan page, select your eSIM or for cellular data only, and then you should see your new eSIM under your cellular data or mobile data plans. Now that's the manual method. I'm going to guide you through the QR code method as well. So on the QR code method, on your device, you'll need to go to settings. Again, tap cellular and then add cellular plan, and then use your printed QR code or another device that displays the QR code to scan your eSIM QR code. So this it'll look like something like this, your QR code. And then if prompted, enter the 4-digit confirmation code. You can skip this step if you're not provided with the confirmation code. Choose a label or customized label for your eSIM. And then under the default line page, select your eSIM for cellular data only. And then you should see your new eSIM under your cellular data or mobile data plan.